Hi everyone, my name is Ashish and I work in a multinational company and I'm 33 years old. So, the purpose of this video is actually I want to share a valuable feedback and support I've been receiving from my dietitianist and the program, the Diet Plus Minus program I enrolled myself into. So, Uh, I think if we go back to 2 months back, I had a chance to donate my blood to someone, and that's when I actually got to know that there was little traces of cholesterol on my blood. So I decided to get a full body checked and see, if possible, consult a better dietitianist to reduce my weight and check my body overall performance. So I got the result and I figured out that I had a very high blood sugar level and I was close to the diabetic range, or I would say a little over than the standard range. So I was a bit skeptic and frankly I was a bit feared as well because I recently got married last year and I really don't wanted to fall into any kind of illness right now, especially at this age. So I was I was a bit scared, but then I had a chat with a couple of my family mates and friends who actually suggested me a doctor, which I served on Practo and figured out after reading a lot of feedback that Dr. Pankaj Kapoor was really a good man in this kind of specialty. He has this specialty and a very good cases. So what have to do, हमने अपना next appointment book किया. Immediately I visited doctor and the first visit was bang on. Doctor was so keen. I can see the passion. He actually wanted to get this treatment done as soon as possible, and let me just tell you, it was not a big disease or anything. It just that doctor was so keen that he wanted me to be get fit as soon as possible. And the way he explained everything, that what I've gone through, what my body is working like and everything, it was an eye opener. So the next day I decided to enroll myself in the Diet Plus Minus program, and I was a little skeptic about the diet the doctor was gonna give me, but it was very smooth experience because when you enroll in the website, the Diet Plus Minus app, you would actually have the option to give your choice of preferences of foods and everything, and the doctor was in constant touch with me and was taking for general feedback, regular feedbacks about the diet, food habits I have, that includes the junk food and everything, and the food style and daily lifestyle. And he actually come up with a diet which I was initially expecting a bit hard, but man, I got too used to it. It's been like 1.5 month down the line, and when I enrolled myself into this program, my weight was close to 94, and now I'm down to 85, and still a long way to go. And the best part about this diet is I wasn't sure that eating so little and so much of paneer, example, you actually can reduce your weight to such a huge extent. Everyone looking at me was in awe that how could I manage to squeeze myself into such a good figure. So all thanks to Dr. Pankaj Kapoor and the Diet Plus Minus app, the website I'm talking about, and the program. And it's been like 2 months and it's going good. And seriously, you don't have to worry about it. They don't pressurizes you with any food which you don't eat. It's all your choice, and then they're gonna club the ingredients, and they also actually, the best part, tell you how to make it, which is a great thing. And there is always an alternative if you don't find the ingredients or anything. So all thanks to Dr. Pankaj and the team, and I'm looking forward to it. I've been enrolled my enrolling myself into this program for the last 2 months, and probably for the next couple of months, as a part of the complete diet program, I will be 100% efficient with my diet plans and everything. But yes, I'll tell you, the diet thing is only going to work if you are honest on your part as well. So I've been very efficient, and there has been no cheat days, and which is why I also got the result so in such a short span. So I request you all, if you have any concern or any issues, and if it's just a weight loss thing program which you want to go with, I request you, if you even if you don't want to enroll in that program, it's okay, but just pay one visit with the doctor and you will understand whether it's would be beneficial to opt for the plan or not. All right, so stay safe and be happy, and always do take care of your health. Thank you.